like super happy because it is snowing! And I didn't want to sit home and just watch the snow from my window. I wanted to go out and work outside. I'm gonna go to Vancouver downtown today, take you guys along and show you that nothing stops here. You gotta go, layer up and get your things done in Canada. Let's go! By the way, it's 0 degrees right now and it's been snowing since last night. And check this out, oh my God. City of Surrey has been cleaning the sidewalks since morning, so you can check it out. The sidewalks are all clean, the roads look clean. So that's pretty nice, at least around my area, so that's good. And we're gonna check it out how things are in transit. When it's snowing so much, you gotta see, oh my God, how can she survive in such harsh weather, right? I'm gonna tell you what I'm wearing. So I'm wearing this long super puff. I'm wearing my Lululemon jacket, a very not that winterproof, it's like a summer jacket. And underneath, I'm wearing my Lululemon's legging again. And I have another extra layer underneath, which is my warmer. That's about it. With my snow boots, winter socks, not too warm, but it's still like winter socks. And yeah, gloves are also must. A toque, all done. And by the way, this jacket is from Aritzia. It's called Super Puff. Today, let me check how much balance I have in my compass card. $6. So I live in Surrey. I'm taking the train from Surrey Central to downtown Vancouver. I'm going to tell you how long it takes for me to reach to downtown. Is to go to library, which is in downtown Vancouver, and the station that I'm going to get off is Granville Station. By the way, one thing I forgot is muffler. You should carry a muffler because my jaw is now freezing right now. I can keep it like this, but still it would have been better if I had like a scarf or something. Can't even talk because my mouth is freezing. Station. So reached Vancouver like in almost 42 minutes. By the way, I'm convincing my husband to skip work and let's just go to a cafe and enjoy this day. Coffee flush you over. So this is downtown Vancouver. Everything looks so pretty and white. So on my left there is Canada Place, and on the other side there's Robson Street, one of the very famous streets. I'm gonna head to the library and do some work there with my husband. There's my husband. Hello, husband. Let's go. It's -2 right now. Okay, that's why. The road conditions are pretty clear actually. You could have got a car.
But the problem would have been not in Vancouver. We would have been stuck in Burnaby.
That's true. But the highway would have been clear.
But on Google it shows the highway had the traffic.
Oh. I'm so happy I came outside from my place. It is chilly, but it's worth it. If you layer up and you pack, you can enjoy winters in Canada. There's KPMG, there's Sephora, and that's Pacific Center. That's Pacific Center. Mall is like empty today. Yeah, it's all empty. Granville and Dunsmuir. Oh my God, I can't even talk right now because it's very, very cold. Snow is already melted here on this plant. Welcome to Winter Wonderland! Ah, it's so pretty! That's the cathedral. Let's have some fun. That's the snow removal truck right there, cleaning all the streets, all the roads.
Why would you do that? Why?
Because it's snowing.
Do you want us to have a snow fight?
No.
No. Then why would you do that? Never start a challenge that you cannot finish.
No.
Why?
Please, don't do that. Let's go.
I can literally make sure that you lay on the snow right now.
No. Please don't do that.
Why?
You're my baby. I love you.
No.
Let's go. Please. Oh, कितने प्यारे हैं ना trees. After walking for almost 20 minutes, I've reached the library. This is the Central Library of downtown Vancouver. One of the very famous libraries. It's super nice, super pretty. And yeah, this reminds me of my uni days. Oh no, guess what? They said that the 5 p.m. staff couldn't make it to the library. So they had to close the library at the last minute. Have to go back. But never mind, we're gonna find a cafe, sit there and do some work. The library hours were till 8:30, but because of the snow, staff couldn't make it.
Careful!
Our bus is here! We might have taken the wrong bus. I'm not too sure. My husband is gonna ask the driver. Let's see. Our stop is here.
Guys, again, wrong directions. Now she's gonna do a catwalk. Why are you walking so fast?
I want to reach to the cafe fast. And their thing which I want to try, they might go out of stock because it's really popular these days.
Oh my God, really popular, just like you?
No, I'm not popular yet. I might be if you subscribe. Oops, it's all full inside. Can we sit outside?
No,
What do you
it's
think?
too cold.
It's cold? Let's see if this have the thing that I want.
I just saw someone leaving, so I grabbed the opportunity.
Thank you. Everyone is here to try out their famous Supreme hot chocolate. Check out the lineup. So this is a small cafe in Vancouver at Robson Street. It's called Little Cafe. So there's this reel which went viral and I also wanted to check out their Supreme hot chocolate. Super excited to try that. Let's see if it's worth the hype or not. All right, it's here. This is the famous Supreme hot chocolate. Why it's famous, what they have done is this is croissant and they have filled hot chocolate inside with whipped cream and you can just drink the hot chocolate with the straw. Let's try. All right, moment of truth. Let's see if it's worth it or not. It's hot, first of all.
You're sipping it?
Yeah. To be honest, it's all right. I just burned my tongue because the hot chocolate was so hot.
Is it just the hype?
I think it's just the hype.
Anything Instagrammable in food industry goes viral and they're never that good.
I know. It's just the hype. I love my Bricka Bakery. By the way, it's $10.
Really?
Yeah. So my reviews for that Supreme hot chocolate would be, it was all right.
Oh.
Wasn't too great. Too Instagrammable, no doubt.
For influencers, for YouTubers, you should definitely come here to put up cool stories. But taste-wise, like at least for us, because we don't consume that much of sugar, for me it was not worth it. And
I think the croissant was quite crispy, but it wasn't soft either. There should be a balance, you know.
oh my god, oh my
The
god.
balance was missing.
Careful, 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 careful.
Oh, this is so cute. They've made ducks. Now we're gonna go to our favorite spot. Tried and tested.
Breka.
The best Breka Bakery. If you're in Vancouver and you want to go to a really nice homegrown bakery, you definitely
That is
need to-
24 hours.
That is 24 hours available, by the way. That is Breka Bakery. And this is one of my favorite locations because I've been coming here for a really long time.
And I'll
I
tell
have
you why we love Breka so much, because while I was new to Canada and Kirat was studying, the only time that we were able to get out of the house was after like 10, 11 p.m.
Yeah.
And this was the only bakery that was always open, and we always wanted to come to Vancouver for a drive or something of that sort from Surrey. So that's why we got emotional with Breka.
That's true. Lots of memories. We have shot a song right here. One of our first song, right? Are they closing?
No, they're not closing, so it's empty. We are lucky. So we
Why
can
the
sit
lights
there.
are not on? They need to turn on the lights. I'm not feeling it.
So guys, I just had a great time at Breka Bakery. I couldn't record a lot for my video, but me and Pianchu did record a video for our other channel, and it was so much fun. The day went by so fast and it was so beautiful, and now everything is settling down. As you can see, it's not snowing anymore, so which is nice, and my husband is just rushing over there because he needs to pee. Today's video, a day out with me on a snowstorm in Vancouver.